Yeah.
I've literally never seen clear in my life that I can remember. So I'm almost like kind of just like oblivious to what LASIK even is. Like I'm like, well, yeah, it's gonna do what my glasses does, but not having like it confined to this little small frame, like just being able to see like I've never seen it like that throughout my actual eyes, you know. So
yeah, it's gonna be great. The peripheral vision, and then you're not having to deal with it, just clear all the time.
Yeah, like I just never even thought about it because I wore them for so long that like now if I notice it, I can see all these areas that I can't see out of, and like I don't even pay attention to them. I kind of zone them out because it's like, why even look right there, you know? So just look straight through these things and that's it. But these things are, you know, they're nothing compared to what your real eyes are. So
yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
Very excited.
It's a fun experiment. About less than 5 minutes later. Open your eyes for me. Can you see that? Read that out for me, please.
E.
Okay, good. How about that?
S Z C D.
Okay, beautiful. How about that?
C D Z K V.
Beautiful. And that?
O Z D V K.
And that?
S V R O Z.
Okay. So you already have the type of vision that you can legally drive with. Okay, this is within 5 minutes after surgery. The process continues to sharpen up. You'll get to a point within a couple minutes where it even gets even sharper than this, and you'll get to that 20/20 vision extremely quickly. Okay, so let me take one more look at your eyes, and we're going to confirm that everything looks amazing, and then we expect you to have amazing vision. Okay, go and place your chin here for me. Blink, blink, blink. Open wide. Beautiful. Awesome. Oh, Jacob, looks fantastic. This is what we call a success. Congratulations, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Wow.
These shields are going to stay until tomorrow and every night for 2 weeks. You start your drops in 2 hours and every 4 hours through the night. Congratulations.
Thank you
All right.
so much.
My pleasure. All right, beautiful.
Like I can see my